Hello students, today we will discuss about a green alga, coleochaete. It is a epiphytic freshwater alga grown on submerged angiosperms like Hydrilla, Nymphia, Typha, Trappa and Sagittaria. It also grown on other filamentous algae, member of Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and green algae. The thallus is multicellular, heterotrichous with both prostrate and erect system. Some species have only erect system, while other have only prostrate system. Coleochaete scutata has discoid thallus. The cells are quadrangular, polygonal or cylindrical. They are uninucleate with single large parietal chloroplast with single pyrenoid. Some cells have thread-like seta. They reproduce by both asexual and sexual methods. The asexual reproduction takes place by motile biflagellate zoospores. Any cell of the vegetative thallus function as zoosporangium which develop single zoospore. The zoospore is ovoid, uninucleate and biflagellate. It has single large chloroplast. They release from zoosporangium through a pore and withdraw its flagella. At the time of germination, a transverse division is formed and form the upper and lower cell. The upper cell forms the seta, while lower cell form the discoid thallus. There is different system of thallus development in prostrate, discoid and erect thallus. Sexual reproduction. The species Scutata is heterothallic while Pulvinata is homothallic, means both male and female sex organs are present on the same thallus. The male sex organ is antheridium and female sex organ is oogonium. As we see in the diagram, the in erect branches, antheridia born at the tip, this like. But in discoid thallus, they born in median part from the center to periphery. They grow as outgrowth which separate from rest of the thallus by a septum. Each antheridium forms a single uninucleate and biflagellate antherozoite like this one. After rupturing antheridial wall, antherozoites are liberated. Oogonia, just like this, also develops at the tip of lateral branches. Oogonium appears lateral in position due to division of lower cells in different direction, but in discoid species there is different structure of oogonium. In erect thalli, the oogonium has trichogyne and oogonium has the basal part, while in the discoid species trichogyne is absent. After breaking up of the tip of trichogyne, some protoplasm extrude which attract male gametes or antherozoids, and only one antherozoid fuses with female nuclei of oogonium. Male and female nuclei after fusion forms diploid zygote or oospore. Most important thing is post-fertilization changes. After fertilization, a wall is formed between trichogyne and basal swollen part here. Oospore increase in size. The basal and lateral cells from the thallus form a pseudo-parenchymatous layer around the oogonium. These are sterile jacket. And this fruiting body is called oogonium, and pseudoparenchymatous layer is collectively called spermocarp. After shedding, spermocarp remains dormant. Under favorable condition, the diploid nuclei of oospore divide meiotically and form 8 to 32 daughter cells. These are these cells, which metamorphose into biflagellate motile zoospores. After releasing from the spermocarp, they form new thallus, just like as a fashion in the zoospore formation in the asexual reproduction. This was everything about the life cycle of a green alga, coleochaete.